Okay, class, I just wanted to keep going over what is required in an HTML document and what we need. So when we're setting up an HTML document, like I said in the past video, we need this doc type HTML, and that is what tells the browser what file it is. And then we need our opening and closing HTML tags, which creates our HTML element. And everything goes in here aside from our doc type tag. From there, we have our head tag, and our head tag is an opening and closing. It contains information that is needed for formatting our web page, but it is not rendered. What that means is it does not show up on our web page. So anything in our head tag does not show up on our web page. It's just information about formatting this web page. Then we have our body tag, which needs an opening and closing tag as well. And this contains the information for the web page, and this is what shows up. So this will be rendered on page, and every website you see, the elements that you are seeing are written within our body tag. This is also between our HTML and closing HTML tag. Inside of our head tag, traditionally we'll have things like a title tag, which this title tag is what shows up in that very top of your browser here. So if I exit out of this, you can see that this is here. So this is the title tag right here, this DK coding in HTML. All right, so let's go back into here, and that is what shows up there. But notice how that is not part of our main part of our screen. And then we use the rest of our title tag to link to our CSS documents and our JavaScript. And we'll go into that a little bit more. Meta tags are just tags that are within our head that have information about our web page, like our author's name, the description, and some keywords so that Google can find our document a little bit easier. And we'll go through an example of creating those. Meta tags only need an opening tag. Then, like I said, we have our title tag there. We've kind of already went over that. And our link tags. Style tags just link. All right, class. Here in Replit, we are going to do all of the required tags that we need to build a website. So within Replit, we are going to create our doc type tags. We just, in all caps, doc type. Well, it looks like I actually forgot my explanation point here. So we say doc type equal doc type HTML. So we're telling the browser that this is an HTML document. And then we add our two opening and closing HTML tags. So we say opening HTML tag, and then we come down here and we say closing HTML. And then we are going to do a couple more things. We are going to create our, what is our next tag? Oh, it's our head and our body tags. Okay, so we do head, and then we type out this head tag. And then underneath that, we do our body tag, because the head and a human is always above, just like in HTML. We type out our body opening and our body closing. So this is everything that is required to get our website up and going. So what's in here does not show up on our website. So we haven't learned these tags, but just to show a title tag of required, or we'll just say parts, and then I close that title tag out. Notice how it does not show up in our preview. But if I came down here and I did a p tag with the same information, /p, what is in our body does show up. I'm sorry, it should say parts. So these all are our required tags: the doc type, HTML, head, and body.